So when you are coming up with your concept for your website, it's always a good idea to storyboard it and to design it, wireframe it, or storyboard it so you can get those ideas out there and create a website that has all the functionality that you need. So this is one of those online wireframing applications, Wireframe CC, where you could simply add in and set up your wireframe. There's a bunch of different ones that I've used as well. There's Glyphy, and so this is Glyphy here. This one, again, it's really neat. You can create diagrams and you could really build out the thought process of how your website's going to work and function. So always remember to include all of that navigation and the connection between all the different pages. So something like Glyphy, you're able to just start drawing and you can literally just drag and drop shapes on here and then connect those shapes together and really form really nice wireframe and design ideas. And then also you could collaborate with others, print this out, and so on, and really build out your website this way first. Plan it out, because planning is important. If you plan out your website properly, it's going to save you a lot of headaches in the end later on. So that's why I always suggest use some kind of planning software. There's another one here called Framebox. So a lot of the same type of thing where you can plan out and design your website. So I would say that you could use Glyphy for more of the flow of how your users are going to flow through your site, and then if there's individual pages that you need to design, you could use Wireframe or Framebox, and then there's a bunch of other ones as well that you could download and use. So really plan that out first, and then also think about the colors and the color schema, any imaging that you wanted to use, and then also think about the messages that you want to get across. So try to look at maybe what your competition is doing, how they're laying out their websites, what's important to them, and from there you could look at and get a better idea of what you may need for your own website. Also think about who your target market is going to be and how what's most appealing to them, what kind of type of content they're interested in, and design for that. Once you have your website set up and designed, also look at connecting to social media. So once you've registered a domain name, make sure that you take that domain name and you register it on social media as well. Mainly Facebook, Twitter, and other popular social sites, in order to reserve that name on those sites and then create interactions, pages on those sites to connect back to your own page when you start building out that content on your site. And once you've done all of this, you should be set up and ready to start coding and creating content for your website.